Everyone is born with the capacity to recover from difficulties. However, stressful experiences occurring during childhood, like abuse, growing up in a household with domestic violence, substance misuse, or poor mental health can cause serious problems later in life. These are called adverse childhood experiences, or ACEs. Many people can overcome ACEs if they have protective factors in place, such as a trusted child-adult relationship, belief that they can overcome their hardship, and the ability to manage their emotions and behaviour. However, not everyone has this support, and some need help to prevent things going wrong. Approximately 90% of what the police are asked to help with are not serious crimes, but complex welfare, public safety and vulnerability issues, which often stem from ACEs and trauma. This means they are coming into contact with vulnerable people all day, every day. But vulnerability from ACEs isn't just about victims, as the same traumatic experiences may lie behind people who are angry and act out. These people often come back into contact with the police again and again, perpetuating an intergenerational cycle of violence and crime. To break this cycle, we need to enable the police to make a difference. In Wales, the Early Action Together programme is supporting police, prison and probation staff, as well as wider partners to better meet the needs of vulnerable people. We are using what we know about ACEs and trauma to help people earlier. We know this early help approach is already happening in areas up and down Wales. One example is a child who had behavioural issues, was at risk of expulsion from school and whose parents were struggling to cope. The police received 8 antisocial behaviour calls over 4 weeks. Early help intervention from the police involved a visit from a PCSO and multi-agency engagement with the school, as well as a referral for parenting classes. This resulted in the child re-engaging with the school, the parents feeling supported, and significant improved behaviour from the child, with no further calls to the police. By training frontline officers and staff to understand the impact of ACEs, they can spot the vulnerable people and intervene early on, helping them get the support they need from the right places. The early help system we are creating means no matter what the need of a vulnerable person, whether that be policing, social care, health or housing, they will receive the right support at the right time from police as part of a holistic service. We are also working with police forces to ensure that the way they gather information, structure their organisations and develop their people meets the needs of their communities. Working together, we can break the cycle and prevent future victims. But the police can't do this by themselves. Together, we can tackle the problem of ACEs and meet the needs of vulnerable people in Wales.